I'm Dave Garl. I'm the account manager here at Newmar, and I want to take you around the new 2019 New Air. Steps away, a 40 by 32 glass door shower is lined with tile surfaces and complemented with a foldable wood seat, plus a standard water conservation system redirects cold water back into your fresh water tank. From all of us here at Newmar, thank you for taking the time to go through the new 2019 New Air. For more information, visit newmarcorp.com, where you can download a brochure as well as locate your nearest Newmar dealer. Come visit us in Napanee and experience our acclaimed factory tour.
Hi there, I'm Gracie Lyons with Coachman RV. Today we'll be giving the long-awaited walkthrough of our updated Galleria Class B by Coachman. With unmatched quality, features, and value, we'll show you why Class B customers are making Coachman's Galleria in the fastest growing diesel in the Class B segment. Let's get started. Once in the spacious Galleria shower, you will notice that it is constructed of fiberglass versus plastic. Additionally, Galleria soap and shower dispenser, swing out mirror, pull out shower head, and fiberglass molded sink all make cleaning up from a day at the beach or a long day on the trail more enjoyable. Another benefit to our 2 shower doors is that it allows the customer to step out of the shower with the window blinds closed and change on the dry floor in privacy. Ideal for the Class B customer, this is a revolutionary water-saving system that diverts cold water back through your water system to the fresh tank to recirculate it until it is at 91 degrees. Once the water gets to 91 degrees, you will see your blue tab turn gray. Once the tab turns solid gray, you will now have hot water and not have wasted or pulled any fresh water out of your freshwater tank or put any unused water into your gray tank.
Hey folks, I'm Ian Baker. I'm here in Hershey, Pennsylvania at America's largest RV show. I'm joined by Steve from Rockwood. We're going to talk a little bit about the Geo Pro product. For those of you that are looking out and planning on doing some boondocking, this is an awesome product. Steve, why don't you tell us a little bit about it? So the other thing that I really like about the boondocking is the shower miser. Tell me a little bit about this.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. So the shower miser, and now this is standard in all the Rockwood products, but the shower miser, what it does is, you know how you turn on your shower and you sit there and you wait for it to get the right temperature?
Forever.
Exactly. And so that whole time, water's being wasted, right? And when you're carrying your own water, when you're at your campsite, water's precious. So we've got a little notch on there that you put down, and while you turn the water on, nothing comes out. It goes down into the fresh water tank. But then there's a little, I don't know, it's blue when it turns
like a
white.
little elbow kind of.
It is an elbow. And when it turns white, it means the water's at 92 degrees.
Okay.
And you flip it up, and now you've got water, but you haven't wasted any of that water.
Yeah, and that's a big deal, because not only, you know, are you, like you said, wasting the fresh water, but more importantly, at least in my book, is the fact that it's going into your gray water tank, and then you have to empty that. And as we all know, that's the first tank to fill up every time. So
Exactly right. Exactly right.
That's very cool.
Yeah.